Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a little bit of a haul for you. So Gershion sent this over to me and I'm so excited. So they sent me some polygel and now they sent me the dip. This is a pretty fancy box. Okay. Look at this. Can we have a moment? I mean, okay, I'm excited. My camera's dying, so let me switch it out real quick. Switched out my camera. So this kit came with a light blue, medium blue, purple, and then an orange. This orange is perfect for Halloween, so this might have to go on. All right, so this kit specifically comes with your full system. So you have your primer, your base coat, which this is what essentially is going to adhere the acrylic to your nail. Then you have the activator, which you use last to harden the nail. Then you have your top coat. And personally, I do not like air drying top coats, especially for dip powder. And this, I believe, is an air dry, so I probably won't use this. I would use a gel top coat, just like on acrylic. And then the brush saver. So I have yet to figure out how to do that. So a lot of times what will end up happening is, since this is glue, this will harden. I've also seen some of the top coats harden. Okay, so let's get into the colors. A136. That is super pretty. I love blues. A16. Ooh, I'm here for blue. I love blue so much. A52. And it almost looks like there's a little bit of a sheen in this one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. And then DP 2820. Look at this color. It's like fluorescent, and I have this glow in the dark powder that I'm going to use as well, because we're gonna do a tutorial. It won't be up yet, it'll be a Halloween tutorial, so you'll have to come back for that. But I am gonna swatch them all. All right, so the kit also comes with a 100-180 file, a brush to, ooh, it's actually pretty soft, to wipe off the excess powder. It comes with forms. I don't know how you would use these in the dip kit. And I assume the directions. Okay, so they are advertising it that you can use it as an acrylic powder, because I know, like, maybe like 5 years ago, they were like hush hush that this is acrylic powder. And I think I said it in my other review as well, that people used to be hush hush with it, but now I'm doing specifically a dip because I don't do acrylic because I cannot stomach that smell. But that's exactly how you would use this. Dip, acrylic. So you have both. All right, I'm gonna do 136, and I just got this everywhere. Obviously, I'm not going to take my primer because I'm not doing this on my nails. So I'm going to come in with the base coat. Okay, this is a medium consistency, I find. Not super, super runny, but it is a medium consistency, and it does have a smell. I always like to close my bottles in between because I like to let this sit for just a second. Obviously it's glue, you don't want to let it sit too long, but by doing that, you're going to reduce the lines that you're gonna get in the powder. So you wait 30 seconds. Again, closing so no air. Purple, and my personal favorite, because obviously, I mean, that's not coming true to color. There you go. That's pretty true to color. Again, I'm making a mess here because this powder is so fine. Now you come in with the activator, and you are going to apply a very generous amount of this all over the nail and just let it harden. All right, so overall, I think this is a great kit. The awesome thing is that you get to choose your beginner kit. Like if you're choosing this kit, then you actually get to choose your colors, and I think that's super important because you're not just starting off with like white and clear. Like you can actually get some colors. Again, I would personally put a clear down of just a dip powder or acrylic powder, whichever one you would do, and then I would go in with the colors, because technically you could backfill it and then just fill in your color on top of that. So that's what I would do. Also, you know, I like to use gel with my stuff, so the glues aren't necessarily my thing, but it does not mean they are not good. I have done a tutorial already since I have a 10-month-old now, so I don't get to film things at once. So all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.